guys, as you can see in front of you, I am on Google, and what I'm gonna do next is to just type Instagram, and when I do it, you can see the first link. I will hit it, and then I will go to my profile. Make sure your Facebook is open in another tab, and what I'm gonna do next is to head towards my profile. And now you can see edit profile. What you're gonna do is to just copy a link here, copy your email here, sorry. So this is the bio, this is website, this is email. So what you're gonna do is to just paste the email. This is my email, you can see. Now I'm gonna copy it, and then I will paste it on here, email option. Now what I'm gonna do next is to just submit it, and after you can see the profile saved, you will go back to your profile just like this, and now you can see there's no email address. So what you're gonna do next is hit edit profile again, and then in bio you will type the email that you want to submit, and then what you're gonna do is just submit it. And after a while you will go to your profile, and now you will see your email has been successfully dragged under your name on Instagram. So this is how you do things. I hope this video gives you a lot of information about what you were finding here and there on internet, and I hope this solves your problem. This is my Instagram page. If you wanna follow it, do not hesitate to follow it, and if you wanna subscribe my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon with another video of mine. Till then, it's goodbye and have a good day.